My name is ScubaPup, and this is the fursuit Rubik's Cube solved.
We're trying to leave a good impression, guys. Come on.
I'm going to attempt to do this. Very slowly. I can't do this fast.
Oh my God. Listen to both tracks, one of each ear. You got one that's playing, and you listen to that cue. So you just match it up manually. By adjusting speed on the other piece.
I need to use this facility if you don't mind.
Why, yes.
I do mind. You do mind? No.
I know theoretically what to do, but I've never done it before, so I probably failed.
Not my fault. Complicated.
Yeah, I'm over here drunk. Alright? We're just song matching. I'm never getting that blitz, but there's nothing awkward about it. I have some allowance. And that's good enough. Yeah. But that's what, you know, people get to report. The whole time you're here. You represent the convention, don't get hit. What time have we got? Not only do I have to follow her, who's timing it? Oh, look at that! Look!
I've won.
2 minutes so far.
You need to shake it more. You peel the stickers off.
No! They're pretty cool. We've got one side already, so
Make sure I know what I'm doing here.
I know what I'm doing here. Oh, God damn it.
It's so hard going slow. You literally have to think about what you're doing.
Oh, you butts. Neither of you responded to something about Fang God. Two of you. That's who I'm looking at right now.
I didn't hear the first part of your sentence, so the second one didn't make any sense.
You didn't respond to something about Fang God.
I haven't been on Twitter very much.
I figured you would have it on your phone.
No. I'm trying to be in the real world.
You can't do both?
As a furry?
Not really, it's kind of hard.
I use Twitter to find out where people are.
Okay.
so you're raw.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Edison.
Oh, thank you.
You're always rocking it.
Right. I feel like I pop the head so much that everyone knows what I look like.
No?
That's what I feel like too. It's like I get out of fursuit half the time in front of you guys. You don't know what I look like outside yet?
By the way, while I'm thinking about it, not because this is the appropriate time and place, but while I'm thinking about it,
No, I hear you there. I get that. I was just doing the same thing earlier. Yeah.
would you be, you're Fang Kind, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I really,
Would you like to report to my show, Nick?
you have a show? Okay.
I'm telling Clanny that's what I want to do. He's like, well, I'll just give you two things in the... I have an idea of what I'm going to be doing with it.
Okay.
Second layer is done.
Okay. Yeah.
Now.
And more characters are always welcome. It's always better to have more people who I can explain what to
Okay, we will talk. We will talk.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of like.
Next time, just give me a phone call, because that way we can like actually brainstorm about it.
Sorry, I got bumped.
And that way we can brainstorm about everything. I can't believe this dude's like actually doing a Rubik's Cube. I can't do one of these for the life of me. And he's going to the pattern thing. That's pretty sweet.
He said the pattern.
Yeah, there's a pattern to move one block exactly where you want it. And so if you realize that pattern, like there are a couple different patterns. Like Rubik's Cube are about solving a pattern. So if you figure out what that pattern is, once you get to a certain point in moving things around, you can just do the same thing over and over again where you want it to get things where you want them.
Have you noticed I'm doing that right now?
Yeah, that's what he's doing right now. He's looking around for where the colors are so that he can grab them and put them on the other corner. Because if I remember correctly, it moves it from the bottom right hand to the top left hand, right? Or something like that.
Yes.
And it does it without moving anything else.
So
Got the songs,
so
but
far
there's a whole
away.
bunch of other songs on here. If you see something you like, you might guess and steal everything. 2 or 3 gigs of music.
Whoa, that burned the sinus. Wow.
Done!
How long did that take in person?
6 minutes 30.
Took me a little long, but I can still do it.
There we go.
Holy cow, that's awesome.
That's the first Rubik's Cube solves.
All right.